Hello everybody, in this video I will teach you how to make aggressive shakes for any edit. This works for car edits and character edits. I'm going to be using After Effects for this tutorial. So first, you are going to create your adjustment layers, and here are my clips. Everything in the shake tutorial depends on the length of your clips. For medium clips, like 1 second clips that I'm using, you would want to make an adjustment layer around 30 frames long, and then make another one that's 10 frames long, and put the smaller one under the bigger one. Next, you are going to apply S_shake under the smaller adjustment layer, and you're gonna see these black lines. That's okay. All you need to do is just pre-comp your clips, and the black lines will disappear. Next, you're going to set the amplitude to 1.35 and the frequency to 10. And you should have this. Now, it doesn't look great so far, but it's gonna look better as we go in the video. Then you're gonna add S_shake to the other adjustment layer. Go to the beginning and keyframe the amplitude from 1 to 0. Then you're going to grab your keyframes with F9 or Keyframe Assistant to easy ease. Just this. This is all you need to do. And then you have this aggressive shake. Then you can duplicate this and put it onto your clips, and your clips are ready. As for the larger or smaller clips, all you really need to do is make your adjustment layers larger. Just make sure that your smaller adjustment layer is 3 times shorter than your bigger adjustment layer. So for example, my bigger adjustment layer is 30 frames long, so you're gonna make your smaller adjustment layer 10 frames long. As for the smaller adjustment layers for the smaller clips, you are going to want to make your bigger adjustment layer 20 frames long, and then you're going to want to make your smaller adjustment layer 5 frames long. And again, for the smaller clips, make sure that your frequency is smaller. So then I can copy these, delete those, and then I can just copy these and paste them. And here you have it, a quick aggressive shake tutorial for any type of edit. This is the final product. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.